What is up, guys? It's Mike here. Today we got a package in the mail which I pre-ordered a while ago. It finally came, so I cannot wait to open this and see how these things look. Alright, so really excited I got this. I ordered this back in September once I knew these were going to be in sale or actually even made. So I finally got it. It got shipped out probably like 2 days ago. So really cool. And if you saw one of my last videos, this is basically going to be another cool unboxing. It's not really a mystery unboxing, but yeah. So I'm really excited to see these things in person. So let's open this thing up. I'm trying to here. It's so difficult at times. Why, I don't know. Open this up. So these actually are not going to be any Spin Master or Hot Wheels trucks. These are going to be something totally different. I think I did an unboxing video with one of these before, but here as I try to get it out, and the unveiling. Oh, Kings of Crunch. So, wow, this is actually done really nice. So yeah, if you guys are wondering, I did get this off eBay, and you see the Kings of Crunch right here. And okay, that's pretty cool. That just blocks the whole truck. But I like the little Ziploc bag or whatever it's called. But here we go. The very first truck is none other than Bigfoot. That's pretty cool. That is an awesome looking Bigfoot. Bigfoot 8. Bigfoot 7, dude. That's pretty cool. Let's get this to focus. And once again, these were pre-ordered back in like September, so it's currently December 13th. It's been a hot minute, but that's one. And you guys are going to be like, oh, that's cool, because here is the second one, and it's none other than Bigfoot 7. So basically the reason why I got two of these things here, one I'm probably going to try to put on a Spin Master chassis or something like that. I think it would look really cool to see a Bigfoot truck actually on a Spin Master chassis. So yeah, this is really cool. I really like this. Kings of Crunch, I'm not really I don't really collect these. The main thing I really get these for is because of the fact that you know, it is Bigfoot. But one thing I must say with these trucks is the detailing on them is amazing, and I really wish that Spin Master would make a, you know, a 1990s Ford pickup truck body like this, or a casting like this, to make a ton of customs for like the 90s and stuff like that. That would be pretty cool. But yeah, these are actually let me see, Series 5. So on the back with Series 5, these trucks, a lot of you guys might not remember them. The only one I honestly remember is Excaliber. I think the newer one was in Monster Jam for a little bit, maybe in the early 2000s, or not the early 2000s, like the later, like 2010, 2011, stuff like that. But yeah, other than that and Bigfoot, I don't remember any of these. Like Southern Sunshine, I don't remember. Mudhog, I don't remember. Oh my god, BFT, I don't remember. Yeah, I don't remember any of those. But yeah, the main reason why I get these is because it is Bigfoot, and so yeah. One cool thing with these two, the packaging on them, I like it because you can't really bend them, and it's that kind of plastic, like if you cut it open, it actually could cut you. But one of these I'm not going to open, the other one I am, and the other one I'm actually going to try to customize it and just basically put it on like a Spin Master chassis, you know, something like maybe one of these trucks, or maybe even one of these. I don't know, maybe take the casting off that, see if I can mod this one up a bit and see if I can do it on one of them. But yeah, pretty cool. Let me know in the comments if you guys are going to get one of these or anything like that. I'm pretty sure these just got released. Yeah, really cool. Greenlight or Kings of Crunch, whatever you guys want to call it. They do an amazing detailing job on that. I would always put them kind of, I guess they don't get really the most recognition because they do older time trucks and trucks like back in the late 80s, 70s, and like 90s and stuff. But it's pretty cool for like the old time fans that remember them. And yeah, so hopefully that custom truck will be done soon, and hopefully you guys might pick one of these up. And you know, still with these things, I have no idea where to buy them. The only place I know where to buy these things are off eBay. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video very shortly.